Every year, mountains of waste grow taller. That's when the industrial giants step in, machines that devour everything from wood to rock, reclaiming it all as resources. They're not just crushers, they're the engines of tomorrow's industry. This car crusher operates with a high-capacity hydraulic cylinder system capable of generating pressure of hundreds of tons. As the piston descends, kinetic energy turns into extreme compressive force, flattening hardened steel frames within seconds. The car's volume is reduced by up to 80%, saving space and optimizing the recycling process. Back in my days, balers were half this size and nowhere near as smart. This 9-meter beast tracks loads with GPS, saving time we once wasted. Watching it crush scrap reminds veterans how technology transformed recycling, making every ton faster, safer, and profitable. The Arges VZ950 Titan is no joke. Twin-shaft power hitting 700 HP, capable of shredding metal, wood, or full cars. Built in Germany, this beast blends torque precision with hydraulic control. Its industrial efficiency redefined. Just gear up and respect that torque. Man, it's wild watching that spring pre-shredder bounce into action like a metal-eating beast. With 350 horsepower chomping down, even stubborn scrap doesn't stand a chance. Recycling suddenly feels like a giant arcade game, but safer and way more useful. The Komatsu D475A is one of the world's largest bulldozers, weighing over 108 tons. As it moves, its massive momentum transfers through the tracks, flattening the F250 into scrap metal within seconds. This is a vivid demonstration of heavy mechanical power in mining and recycling industries. The M48 Patton roars alive, steel tracks crushing the ground. 5 return rollers hold the beast steady as its turret swings with authority. Against a Dodge Spirit, history isn't fair. This tank embodies Cold War power, echoing through Danville's museum field. The difference is jaw-dropping. This engine delivers torque so strong, the frame barely shakes, while tiny cutters rattle uncontrollably. What impresses most is not only power, but consistency. Hour after hour, production never stalls. It's hard not to admire such relentless engineering brilliance in action. How does Bradford Waste Traders keep sparks contained when shredding aluminum frames and copper wiring? The energy released looks intense, yet workers operate safely. Must be advanced fire suppression and protective gear. Curious if similar systems exist in U.S. recycling facilities or not. The GreenTech 952 S Mega delivers unmatched efficiency with its robust cutting drum, processing heavy timber continuously. Paired with the Doosan DX140W loader for seamless feed, this Danish-built system turns forestry waste into chips, maximizing productivity while minimizing downtime in demanding operations. Old mechanics know big tires used to take hours with cutting torches. The 1500R makes it minutes. 2 shafts running 38 RPM, steady torque, no drama. Experience teaches. Technology doesn't just save time, it saves backs, budgets, and entire crews. Watch the CBI 5400 BT in action, 4 rotors built to dominate every log. Each downswing turns raw momentum into crushing power. This isn't just grinding, it's controlled destruction engineered for efficiency, precision, and unstoppable industrial momentum. Steel screams, motors collapse, and appliances vanish under the PRI Max or PR4200. At 15 tons per hour, this American-built monster shows no mercy. It turns wreckage into resources. Every strike writes a chapter in recycling's relentless, unstoppable story. Watching this tire shredder is oddly satisfying, like a giant blender for rubber donuts. 2 steel shafts just chew and spit out perfect chunks in seconds. Who knew recycling could look this fun? Still, engineers better keep their gloves away from the hopper. Back in the day, splitting logs meant swinging axes until arms gave out. Now, an 80-ton JBM machine takes the punishment. With 24 wedge strokes and hydraulic loader precision, modern forestry shows technology turns backbreaking tradition into controlled, sustainable strength. The Maxine India shredder processes organic waste at 1.5 tons per hour, powered by a 22 kHz motor. Cities use it for compost and biogas, turning kitchen scraps into rich fertilizer. Safety gear is crucial since rotating drums release huge kinetic energy every cycle. The power hand Vexor, engineered in the UK, solves the mattress spring problem. Its patented clamp locks tight, while the VRS grab cut sections cleanly into wood, steel coils, plastic, and padding. Efficiency meets precision, creating recycling streams that save money and space. The Bonfiglioli Squalo 3000 shear in Oregon packs unmatched hydraulic force, slicing steel beams like butter. With a 3,000 mm blade and Italian precision, this machine defines industrial dominance, proving why it's seen as the world's strongest scrap cutter. Watching this reminds me of farm storage days, when feed came in rough blocks tossed to cattle. Only difference now is a shredder does the hard part. The smell, the texture, the whole process feels like old agriculture meeting modern machinery. At first glance, it looks like another office shredder, but when the Brentwood AZ-15WL fires up, that 11 kilo motor growls like machinery from a factory floor. The 16mm cutters rip through piles so fast it leaves people speechless. The Terex Finley J1175 jaw crusher delivers serious power with its 350 HP engine and 100 to 750 mm feed opening. Built in the UK, it's engineered for durability, handling hard rock with efficiency. This machine defines productivity in quarry operations worldwide. Behind Diamond Z 6000's roar is a bigger picture. Old lumber turned to mulch means fewer trees cut tomorrow. Recycling isn't just about saving space, it's about giving forests a break, teaching communities that machines can actually protect what chainsaws destroy. Whoa, that's not a kitchen tool. That's industrial muscle from India, crushing e-waste, tires, and metal scraps into uniform particles without shaking the ground? That's impressive. Recycling becomes not just practical, but futuristic when a machine this massive feels so controlled. Does anyone know how long those Python blades stay sharp while shredding fragile plastics? Steel cutters face constant stress, yet this unit seems built tough. Wonder if maintenance costs stay low, or if operators swap blades often to keep efficiency high. Breaking rock with hydraulics may feel violent, but it saves human backs, reduces blasting risks, and makes quarrying safer. Progress must balance power with responsibility. Reminding workers efficiency means nothing without protecting lives and nearby communities. Backyards once kept stumps as stubborn monuments for years. Kids played around them, parents cursed them. Seeing the SG-75 erase a 4-foot stump instantly makes you realize times changed. Obstacles once permanent now vanish in moments. Progress feels surreal. With fuel-efficient design, the German Fendt 313 and Cap-On press reduce soil compaction while preparing for corn silage. It's not just farming, it's sustainability, proving technology can support productivity while respecting land health for future generations. That's real progress. Hardin's industrial shredder, built in China, delivers 45 kilodollar motor strength, crushing stuffed toys like Peppa Pig into recyclable fibers with steady momentum. That Python shredder doesn't nibble. It devours cardboard cores like pretzels, pallets like breadsticks, and old electronics like crunchy chips. And the best part, instead of gaining weight, it makes your trash skinnier, saving space and cutting hauling costs. Genius. The idle 14mm shredder delivers a precise 4-inch cut, built in the USA with industrial-grade steel. Its torque handles stubborn scrap effortlessly, proving how design and engineering transform raw horsepower into reliable recycling efficiency for heavy-duty operations daily. Who knew trash tires could become treasure? This shredder slices them up, pulls out steel, and spits clean fibers like magic. High automation makes it almost dance on its own, saving energy while giving old wheels a brand new life.
Uma metalúrgica, um habilitador com aqui é a regulagem, duas correias, isso para poder fazer a inércia.
This homemade jaw crusher works with an engine transferring power through belts, generating kinetic energy for the flywheel. When rocks are fed, all momentum converts into compressive force, breaking hard stone into smaller pieces for construction. Older crews once hand-sifted rubble through wire mesh. Seeing the SBR4 handle 50x50 stones with Volvo L110H support reminds us how far construction has advanced. Nostalgia teaches gratitude for the past and respect for modern progress. The CRT 2021 Sand Crusher cuts stone with depth control of 20 or 40 centimeters. Its balanced torque and stable frame reduce vibration, giving precision work. Machines like this show how engineering upgrades reshape quarry operations. Whoa, never thought a single-shaft shredder could rip through mixed construction junk this fast. Lindner Jupiter's engineering blows expectations away. Wood, drywall, even tough scraps vanish like paper. Austria built a beast that saves time, space, and headaches on job sites. Watching those sharp cutters chew wood pallets is wild. The torque hits over 40,000 FTLBs, making splinters vanish in seconds. But dang, anyone nearby better strap on gloves, goggles, and ear protection before stepping closer. Speed, force, and transformation. Today's crushers showed it all. The thrill isn't over. More awaits. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Got questions about how they work? Drop them in the comments. We'll answer.